Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix Marvel Spider-Man 2 crashing on your PC, your desktop PC, and let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is make your way over to the search bar and go ahead and just type in Device Manager. From the Device Manager, what you want to do is you want to look for Display Adapters, and you want to right click on your drivers and go ahead and hit Update Driver. Now from here you can choose the search automatically for drivers option. Now, what this basically does is it just updates your drivers. There is another way to do this if you don't want to do it through this way. The second method you guys can try doing is from GeForce Experience if you have NVIDIA downloaded or if you have NVIDIA. But anyways, go over to drivers and then go ahead and hit drivers download and then go ahead and hit express installation. And then once that's done, it will restart your PC and it will automatically drive or automatically update your drivers. Now, if you do want to, if you have AMD, I believe the process should be similar. You can also go over to Google and just type in the latest AMD drivers and then download it from there. Now, these are potential fixes for the issue, for the Spider-Man issue. Now, what you can also do is just go ahead and in-game turn down settings. So turn down your graphic setting. And to be more specific, what you can do is go ahead and disable DLSS ray reconstruction in the game graphic settings. And if this happens, if you have like random crashes, this will instantly fix the issue as well. Now, once you do all of these methods, you guys should be good to go and you are all set. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.